This week I read the waterproof warranty for 6 of the biggest flooring brands in America. Every single one of them has the same trick buried in the fine print. The floor is waterproof. Your warranty is not. A pipe leak, a dishwasher failure, water sitting overnight, all excluded on every one of them. And some of these brands charge $8 a square foot for that word on the box. So here are 5 waterproof brands overcharging you for protection you are not actually getting, and 3 that earn their price. Stay for number 1, because its famous waterproof warranty quietly dies unless you caulk the entire edge of your room. First, 30 seconds of truth that reframes the whole aisle. Vinyl plank is plastic. Plastic does not absorb water. A $2 vinyl plank and an $8 vinyl plank have the exact same relationship to a puddle. Every rigid core plank in the store is a waterproof material, so when a premium brand charges 4 times more, the word on the box is not what you're buying. And here is the part nobody reads. There is no government spec for the word waterproof on flooring. The only binding definition is the warranty. The average water damage claim in an American home runs around $14,000, and the events behind those claims, burst pipes, appliance leaks, flooding, are excluded by every warranty I'm about to show you. One of them literally excludes anything. Quote, normally covered under homeowner insurance. Keep that in mind at every price tag. Number 5. Mannington Adura. A genuinely nice-looking floor at $3 to $7 a square foot, sold on a 100% waterproof core they call Hydro Lock. Then the warranty: no coverage for discoloration from mold, from flooding, from leaking plumbing or appliances, or from water coming in through a sliding glass door. So rain through a patio door, the most common wet event in a family room, is on you. To be fair, the floor itself holds up well and looks premium. You are just not buying the protection the front of the box implies, and lawyers are already asking questions about one of Mannington's laminate lines, which tells you how much heat this whole waterproof marketing space is drawing right now. Number 4. Karndean. British design brand, beautiful patterns, up to $8 a square foot for glue-down vinyl. Here is what their lifetime warranty actually promises. It pays out when the pattern completely wears off the plank. Complete removal of pattern and color, their words. Scratches, gouges, stains, dents, excluded. Flood and plumbing leaks, excluded. Labor, excluded. Think about that. An $8 floor with a warranty that only triggers if you somehow grind the picture off the plastic. I've never met anyone who wore the pattern off a vinyl floor. Gorgeous product. The warranty is decoration. Number 3. Floorte. $4 to $7 per square foot from the second biggest flooring maker on earth. Their waterproof coverage contains my favorite sentence in this entire pile of paperwork. The warranty covers topical moisture, quote, as long as the water does not flow over the edge of the surface. Read that again. If the spill reaches the edge of the room, coverage stops. Your waterproof warranty ends at the wall. Water from underneath the floor, not covered. Anything homeowner's insurance would touch, not covered. The floor is well built. The promise is a fence with a gate wide open. Number 2. LifeProof. Home Depot's flagship, the orange aisle's favorite word. 100% waterproof. At $2 to $4 a square foot for 6 to 30 mil tiers. Now the warranty. The flooring is waterproof, but it is, quote, not a moisture barrier. Excluded: flooding, prolonged standing water, leaking pipes, appliance leaks, moisture under the floor, mold and damages, quote, usually covered under homeowner insurance. Steam mops voided too, which almost nobody knows. And here is the part that made this video urgent. Since June 3rd, a Washington, D.C. law firm has been looking into LifeProof, collecting reports of early scratching, seams lifting, moisture getting under planks despite the waterproof marketing and warranty claims getting denied. No lawsuit exists, it is an investigation, but when lawyers start a file on the biggest waterproof brand in America, you read the fine print before you pay the premium. Number 1. Pergo WetProtect. This one wins because the warranty is not the fine print. The warranty is the entire sales pitch. Lowe's markets WetProtect as the only waterproof warranty that covers your floor and your subfloor for life. Sounds bulletproof. Now the document. Covered moisture events, wet mopping and everyday household spills. That is the list. Excluded: flooding, standing water, leaking pipes, mechanical failures, appliance leaks, and subfloor hydrostatic pressure. The lifetime subfloor coverage applies to topical water passing through a properly installed joint, and here is the kicker: Coverage requires the entire perimeter of the room sealed with silicone, plus every door frame. Skip the caulk gun on day one, and your famous warranty is void before the furniture comes back in. And that same DC law firm that opened a file on LifeProof? Same day, June 3rd, it opened one on Pergo WetProtect, looking at buckling, water in the seams, and claims denied under, quote, water damage exclusions. The brand selling you the warranty is being looked at by lawyers over the warranty. That is number one, and it is not close. So what actually earns premium money? 3 names, quickly, and notice what they have in common. Flooret's Modern line, $4.50 a square foot for a 40 mil wear layer. 40. Most $6 floors ship with 20. That is double the armor for less money, direct to your door. COREtec, the brand that invented rigid core, cork backing, dense build, and installers consistently say the 30 to 50% premium shows up in how it lays and lasts. Buy it for the build, not the warranty, because its exclusions read like everyone else's. And Cali vinyl, $2.49 to $5, which reviewers keep saying performs like floors costing $1 or $2 more. See the pattern? You pay for wear layer, core density, and build quality. Specs, never the word waterproof because that word is free. So here is the whole video in 3 sentences. Every vinyl plank is waterproof material, so the word costs nothing and protects nothing. The warranty is the only real definition, and every one I read excludes the exact disasters you are worried about. Pay for the spec sheet, let your homeowner's insurance handle the floods, and treat every waterproof label as spill-proof, nothing more. Drop a comment if a waterproof floor ever faced a real leak in your house. Brand, what happened? Did it survive? Those stories are worth more than every warranty PDF I read this week. And subscribe before your next trip to the flooring aisle, because next time we follow the family tree. 2 companies out of Georgia quietly own half the brands in the store, and once you see which labels share a parent, the price tags stop making sense. See you there.